Hello, it's the Collaboration Kernel and welcome back to Windows 11. Yes, folks, Windows 11 is with us and Microsoft have got in a rollout plan between now and probably end of March next year, 2022, of when all eligible PCs are going to be offered for the upgrade. But how do you skip this Microsoft enforced queue and install Windows 11 on your PC that meets all the requirements? Why should you wait? Well, I'm going to show you how. So do a quick search in the browser of choice, whether that be Google or Bing or on whatever, for download Windows 11 or Windows 11 Installation Assistant. And this is the type of screen you are looking for. This one here. It offers you 3 ways to get hold of Windows 11. Okay, now the Windows Installation Assistant, they say, is the best option for installing Windows 11. It'll take you through a load of prerequisites. Away you go, right? The machine will restart a few times and it'll guide you through the entire service. The next way is to create Windows 11 installation media. This may be a good idea if you have several machines to upgrade in your household, say machines for the kids as well. Really confuse them when they come home in school. Oh my God, look, the taskbar's in the middle of the screen. Or you can do something that gives you a little bit more control, and that's to download the Windows 11 disk image, or ISO. This is the option I selected for. Selecting Windows 11 and clicking download will download approximate size 5.5 gigabytes, which is the multi-edition ISO. Now, in regards to product keys, if you've got a licensed version of Windows 10, you will not be prompted for a product key because you're licensed, and this is an upgrade, a free upgrade at the moment to Windows 10 if you've got that licensed. Click on download and it will download the ISO to your machine. Now, as you can see, I'm already running Windows 11 here, but there are a few other prerequisites that you can do and check. I downloaded the PC Health Check application from Microsoft's website. That gives you important information on your device. Now, as you can see, my machine has got lots of space. It's got 64 gigabyte of RAM and it's less than a year old. So typically in regards to things like TPM, I should be okay. Clicking on check now at the top here will run a Microsoft check. Let's see all results. Thank you very much. And it'll give you a green tick if you are compliant. Good stuff. Tick in the box. We're ready to move on. Now, as I mentioned, the error code that I had when I first tried to install Windows 11 is on the screen here. It says it failed by install updates operation. So you can see where the setting that I showed you earlier on is straight in. And this is a clip from my Windows 10 desktop. Yes, it did cause me a little bit of angst. I thought, am I going to have to go and do a complete installation? But no, you select do not install your updates and you are away. And it should solve that problem, just so you know. You get this message. What needs your attention? So continuing the installation will change your display language to. Change it back. You'll need to reinstall a language pack. Okay. We'll say okay for that. It'll then go off and think about it. It'll check the disk space and it'll say great. Install. I'm going to go for an in-place upgrade. Install Windows 11, keep personal files and apps. We're going to say install. And if you can see this, it says installing Windows 11. Now, this is perhaps one of the most nerve-wracking parts of the entire installation. This is where Windows goes through and starts doing what it does, right? Okay, so it's getting all the files ready, it's putting them all in there, it's copying your files into another area so it can copy them back. It's doing all that messing about. And on average, it takes about 10 minutes, depending on the complexity and the file structure that you've got going on with your Windows 10 device, which you're upgrading to Windows 11. But don't worry about it. After that, your machine reboot a couple of times and hopefully you'll get this screen. And here you are. I'm on Windows 11. You can see the task menu bars in the middle of the screen. Quintessential Windows 11 there. I'm being prompted to install some updated versions of my software for my machine. So there you have it, Windows 11 update. Without waiting for Microsoft to tell you when you can update it. Yes, we had a little error during the Safe OS mode, but we solved that by not installing the updates during the installation process. As long as you've got TPM switched on, you should be okay. I've been the Collaboration Kernel. Thanks very much for watching this video on how to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 and not wait for Microsoft. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check back for more videos in the series.